is my laptop, and here on the side of a laptop there's usually something that you could connect a cable to, and this is an HDMI cable that I have connected into the laptop. And if I follow it all the way to the back of this second screen here, see, because I have two screens, I've also connected that HDMI here to the back of my computer monitor screen. So TVs, they have HDMI imports. So what you could do for the Zoom meeting of the game cam is take your laptop, connect the HDMI, and put it into the side of the TV that you may have in your living room or something. And then when the Zoom meeting starts, you can have your screen display in two different locations. You just take the mouse into the desktop area, right click, and just go down to display settings. There you go. This is what you'll see, the display settings. So you see here, if I press that identify button, then each of the screens, 2 is the one that's up here and 1 is the one that's down there. And that's what these numbers mean. And I could position the screens around if I wanted to, so that when I move my mouse from one screen to the other, it's above. Or if I want my second screen to be on the side, I could just place it right here and I move my mouse from here to the side to go up. But you know, my physical screens are located up and down, so I'm just going to place it like this. Okay, that's one thing. And then the second thing is, how does the computer display across the two screens? So here I say multiple displays, and right here I'll just choose the extend these displays so that it's 2 different screens I have. If I chose duplicate these displays, then it's just going to show the same screen on both the TV and the laptop. Choose extend these displays. All right, that's how you could set up your laptop and TV so you could do one of the game camp Zoom meetings. All right, thank you.